PHUN. Is it time to double down or is it time to walk away? Stick around. I'm going to give you my thoughts and insight on that. Also, AMC. I'm going to give you my before earnings price target, which I do believe we are currently in a pre-earnings rally here for AMC. I'm going to give you my expectations on how high I believe the share price can go before the earnings release on the 6th. So stick around. We're going to talk about it all. But before we do so, don't forget to get over to my main YouTube channel, which is called Making Easy Money. We're currently on the road to 35,000 subscribers. So when you guys do subscribe, can you please take the time out and make sure that notification bell is set to all, and make sure you check out my latest DJT video where you will get my latest price target on that. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is no other than AMC. And if you're currently holding AMC, let me know in the comment section below. If we can get 20 people to comment the ticker symbol AMC, I will update AMC daily moving forward up until earnings. Now, as you all know, AMC has been performing pretty well for these last few weeks of trading. Breaking that mid-Bollinger Band here to the upside last Thursday is always good. Not only that, with a earnings release right around the corner, we expect to see a pre-earnings rally here in AMC, which is showing obvious signs. But I do feel as though the stock is headed towards those $6 levels here before earnings. I do expect to see a major spike here pretty soon before earnings. But I do want you guys to know one thing, just off of history, we tend to not see a earnings rally take place after earnings here in AMC. As you guys can see here, the last earnings, we didn't see a major rally at all after the earnings report. But here, heading into it, we did see a slight rally. Majority of this is due to, of course, Roaring Kitty actually resurfacing. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, AMC is going to see a pre-earnings rally. And I do feel as though that is headed towards those $6 levels. If you're currently holding AMC and you're still holding for that short squeeze, let me know in the comment section below by commenting still holding for the squeeze. I want to know how many shareholders is currently holding for those astronomical share prices. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about PHUN here really quickly. And if you're still holding PHUN, you may want to listen to what I got to say here in today's video. As you all know, today's major retracement did come off of yesterday's news. We did speculate that we were going to see a short cover take place due to seeing buying pressure roll into the pre-market. We didn't see that at all. In fact, right away in the pre-market hours, we did see a drop due to the news that did come out here yesterday. And that was that termination of the $30 million purchase agreement. Now, with that, ladies and gentlemen, something like that is going to derail things, especially recently announcing the CEO change also did make a big drop here on this day. Like I told you guys before, PHUN is going to be much more volatile than DJT due to the lower share float in the lower market cap. It doesn't take that much buying or selling to sway the share price like it does DJT, with a much larger share float, meaning it is a much larger number of shares available to trade, and the company is worth much more. So it does take a lot of more buying or selling in either direction in order to sway it that way. But far as PHUN, ladies and gentlemen, with today's drop coming off of yesterday's, those short positions here yesterday is still sticking around thanks to yesterday's news. We do expect to see a short cover here pretty darn soon. So what you do want to keep your eyes out on is for the reversal. And if you do plan on averaging down, I would hold off on that until the reversal shows itself. That's when I will buy into that on the average down, so I can cut my average down as much as possible and put myself in a better situation to either break even or walk away with gains. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, price prediction here for PHUN here tomorrow, and the likelihood of a short cover, we can return back towards those $10 to $11 levels. But if that doesn't take place, ladies and gentlemen, then we may be headed back towards those sub $8 levels. Now, like I told you guys before, today we are short sale restricted, and we will be short sale restricted during the entire trading day here tomorrow. So it's going to be very interesting that we may see a short cover that again may take us back towards those $10 to $11 levels. So with that being said, like I said before, make sure you get over to my main YouTube channel. It's called Making Easy Money. I will have it posted at the end of this video, and may the gains be with you.